What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. In my life, a lot of struggles that I face, but I'll overcome.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some people right about now, viewers and subscribers, don't think or don't worry on yourself when I see that music video I just feature people, because I did it already, I feature it already. But really and truly people, why I have to drop it back is just to give you a reminder of these artists. You understand? Elia, Mashiach people and Elishua. But this time people, the artists then comes so boom and they drop a new project people, and the title of this song plus music video is called One Life. But before I say nothing more people, I just going to give you, you know what I mean, a slightly look of this music video from the artist Elia, Mashiach people and Elishua, One Life. So check it out.
I've only got one soul, only one soul to give. I'm gonna leave it for you, I'm gonna give it to you, I'm gonna leave it for Yahweh.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I'm talking about. You see what really I'm talking about. Natural talent people. And these artist people, me are telling them, man, the man them are going good. You understand? Because the first video in the people, you understand when me go now throw back pan, that hit over 1 million views in 1 week. When I say 1 million views in a 1 week, no joke people. I'm tell you, so when there's an artist who doing positive things, people putting in the work and working really good people, and especially when you have a good recording label behind you, naturally people, N-Time Records, they are doing a great job. You have to big them up, and so yeah, we just fit in at the project and just work for you people. So when I want to do people, I'm not telling a lie, no joke people, I want you to check out the full video for One Life from Elia, Mashiach people and Elishua people, and I'm going to leave the link right below in the description people, and you can just click on it and go right over there people, because the artists them also have other projects people where them are drop, because these entertainers people, the man them just putting in works. So what me have to do, me have to big up Elia, Mashiach people and big up Elishua people for this one again called One Life. And when I do watch the video people, and then I feel like you have some sad scenes tonight people, because it's all about a father people who is going through his struggle people, and he's working hard just to ensure that his youth is okay people and taking care of them people. And you know, he's a man who always put him trust and believe in a Yahweh. So you don't know that thing that got people. So it's just all positive music from these artists people. You're not gonna expect nothing bad from them, you know what I mean? So you don't know people, it's somebody who you definitely need on your radar, somebody you definitely need to watch. So big up again Elia, Mashiach people and Elishua for this one called One Life. And remember, please check below in the description, you understand, for the link to watch the full music video for One Life. Big up N-Time Records every time. Yahweh, big up.